Hey guys, and in this video we are going to see an unboxing of a tablet keyboard. So the main benefit of this tablet is actually it comes with a battery, inbuilt battery. So it has a 5-volt 1 amps battery. Let's say then let me open it and show you guys. So in the box we had a keyboard, a Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and the fingers, just a small pamphlet. So if you could ask me, there is no safety packaging for this. So the first impression on this, if you could ask me, the keys are actually good, and you could hear the sound. But it's also thin, as well as it's too weightless actually. So if you keep it in an outdoor, I think if it's too windy it will just fly off. Too weight, and also if you could give a heavy pressure on this, I think it can break easily. So let me show you guys what else this has. So it has the power volume up and down buttons, the play button, the next play button. You also have the brightness. Actually you could also use this as a Bluetooth keyboard for your laptop or monitor if you have. And you get the charging indicators, power, charge, Bluetooth connectivity, caps, connect, so on and off button. On it, the light glows. So on the right side actually you get a Type-C cable, charging port, sorry. Yeah, it's actually too good to be honest, but I would suggest you guys to just keep this box with you wherever you go. You could carry this one because it's too thin and it's easily breakable. As you could see, the fit and finish is not that great. Each of the sponge thing is crossed. At the top also you could see the seam. The quality, actually their manufacturing is not good. So if you ask me, I got this one for actually around 675 rupees. But if you ask me whether it is okay for this price, I would say if it comes under 500 it will be great, but it's too costly. Yeah. So to connect this with your tab, you have to just turn on this keyboard and just click on this connect button, so that the Bluetooth visibility will turn on, so that once you turn on the Bluetooth, it will actually show here. So fingers Bluetooth, actually if you just click it, it will ask as pair. Yeah, you can just give it pair, and yeah, it will get paired. Bluetooth fingers, Bluetooth freedom. Great. So let me open the yeah, it's actually pretty much fast, I would say. So also if you want to just turn the volumes up or down, you will just press the font key. So you could change the volume up and down. You could also mute it, mute down, and also you have the brightness option. So yeah, it is working actually. I thought it won't work, but eventually it is working. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you either think this is worth the money, means I would say if it comes under 500 it will be actually great, honestly to say. So yeah, it actually does your job, but if you are a person who wants to carry this with you wherever you go, but in your backpack you need some weightless things, actually this one will be handy. So you could just bubble wrap it somewhere and keep it in your bag, so it will be useful and it won't break actually. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.